876 Streets. What's up, peeps? Today is Dyno Day. We're at Elite Performance Dyno in Linstead. Right, we're gonna see what the car is up to today. Right, we have the massive auto sponsored coupe behind me. And we have Project X right there, so stay tuned. Let's see what the bad boy is up to.
Dyno shootout, 3 pull.
That is it.
Alright?
Roland, run a Dyno shootout.
We're trying to do something, though. We're trying to do something for possible where we can watch Kenneth do some racing and do the Dyno shootout at that time.
Alright.
Let's see what's going on. Let's organize it somewhere around there, alright?
Alright, bro. Cool.
No problem.
Alright, so Project X on the rollers now.
Turn on my phone. Yeah, turn on my phone. Yeah, the room. No.
Alright, so peeps, it's now 9 o'clock and we are having some wastegate issues. So, as you can see behind me, right, so stay tuned. We might not be able to make the power we want, but yeah, stay tuned, alright? Alright, so we have in, as I said earlier, we have a little issue with the wastegate clamp. So yeah, we're gonna try to see if we can doctor something in the night to get it work, alright? Alright guys, so that's a wrap for today. I must say, very successful dyno session. Going home with some more horsepower than the last time, right? So that's a plus. The car, as you can see in the background, it's still holding up. Chris's car made some impressive figures as well, more than the last time, you know, thanks to Kenty the tuner, right? We're at Elite. Yeah, just stay tuned. If you like this sort of content, just let us know. We can provide it with some more, so just let us know. Alright peeps.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.